Mastering reported requests in English. The art of using ask and tell. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very important topic: using ask and tell in reported requests. This is a crucial part of mastering reported speech in English. So, if you're looking to sound more natural and fluent in your English conversations, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off by understanding what reported requests are. A reported request is when we tell someone about a request that somebody else has made. In other words, we're reporting the request. For instance, if John says, "Can you close the window?" and we want to tell someone else about it, we might say, "John asked if I could close the window." Ask is one of the most commonly used verbs in reported requests. To use it, we say the person's name or pronoun, followed by asked, and then the request. Here's a rule of thumb. When we report a question or a request, we usually change the tense to the past. Here's an example. Direct speech. Sarah says, "Can you help me with this?" Reported request. Sarah asked if I could help her with that. When we use tell in reported requests, it's a bit different from ask. With tell, we're reporting an instruction or order, so the feeling is a little bit stronger. Remember, though, it's still polite because we're using indirect speech. Here's an example. Direct speech. Your boss says, "Please finish this report by Monday." Reported request. My boss told me to finish that report by Monday. The best way to become comfortable with ask and tell in reported requests is to practice. Try converting these direct requests into reported speech. 1. Could you pass me the salt? 2. Please don't forget to lock the door when you leave. 3. Can I borrow your book? Remember, practice makes perfect. That wraps up our lesson on using ask and tell in reported requests. We hope that you now feel more confident about reporting requests in English. Remember, it's all about practice. So don't hesitate to use these structures in your daily conversations. Thank you for joining us today, and keep practicing. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.